The higher noise level of NFTs has piqued people's interest. While the internet, including social media and websites, is awash in NFT news, you may want to learn about them quickly. In this video, I'll go through the basics of NFTs and why they're important to you. What is NFT? What does NFT stand for? NFT stands for non-fungible token. The term non-fungible refers to something that is one of a kind and cannot be replaced. It's similar to a trade card. If you exchanged it with a different card, you'd receive something completely different. NFT, a short explanation. Unique data units. It is a set of unique data units that use technology to enable digital material like films, music, and photographs to be logged and authenticated on cryptocurrency, particularly Ethereum. Connection with Ethereum. On the bigger scale, most NFTs are connected with the Ethereum blockchain. These NFTs are enabled by Ethereum's blockchain technology because they include extra information that allows them to behave differently from ETH coins. Different blockchains may use NFTs in their own ways. What makes NFTs so special? NFT is a blockchain-based digital asset with a unique signature. Anyone may verify the legitimacy and ownership of an NFT using the blockchain. NFTs can be even used to buy and sell tweets. In virtual world contexts, NFTs can also be digital apparel or parcels of land. CryptoKitties, the most famous case for NFTs. Cats with unique identification on Ethereum blockchain were represented digitally in November 2017. These were termed as CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties are the most famous case for NFTs. Each kitten is one of a kind and has a monetary value in Ether. They breed amongst themselves, producing a new offspring with distinct characteristics and values than their parents. Within a few weeks of its inception, CryptoKitties had amassed a fan base that had spent $20 million in Ether on buying, feeding, and caring for them. Some devotees spent upwards of $100,000 on the project. Some common examples of NFTs. Any asset, tangible or intangible, may be used to represent NFT. For instance, online-only assets like digital artwork, real-world assets like real estate, avatars, collectibles, both digital and non-digital, names of domain, tickets, etc. NFTs have value in the same way that any physical artwork does. Somehow, NFTs resembles with cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. NFTs, on the other hand, are wholly unique in that they cannot be swapped like for like, which is where the term non-fungible comes into play.